Flower language keyboard, do-it-yourself language wallpapers, fun flower language keyboard, create your own beautiful flowers or cute cats from flower language keyboard. Flower language keyboard is a secret garden for you to express your feelings, whether you express yourself through the beauty of flower or cute kittens. So yeah, here you can just go and install it. And then here you have it. So then this is the app. Unfortunately, there are a lot of ads in these kind of apps. And then you can just start to create it. And yeah, unfortunately, there's really a lot of. So now you have wallpapers. Then you can have all of this. This is kind of like you create your own wallpaper in here. And that's the idea. So you can just play with it. And like, you know, when I just type it in, there are a lot of new things appearing on the cat, but I don't know how it's actually working. But yeah, this is the process in here. And yeah, so that's the idea how you can start creating it. You know, there is monthly if you want to remove ads, $2.30 per month. So there you have it.